If you got a few minutes and you want to see exactly how I make over $1,000 each day, go ahead and stay tuned. And you can see right here on this camera, I'm going to take y'all with me.
Say hi to the duckies. This job was booked through Thumbtack. Traffic moving pretty smoothly.
At this point, the GPS started messing up, so I had to pull over and check it, but we 21 minutes out.
Thinking if it's going to be simple like the customer said. Or did the customer forget to mention some items? But anyways, we are here. Over the phone.
Second floor.
Looks like a lot. But it's really not. Let's get started. The elevator wasn't too far away, even though it felt like it was. Started loading the items and making sure they don't shift. Took about an hour to load. Storage empty. Back to the truck.
So on this particular job, it was a decent drive time. That drive time was like 45 minutes. But when I get to the customer, I start the clock, whatever time that we get there and we arrive and we start working, I go ahead and start that clock all the way up until we complete the job and we're finished working. That's when the clock stops. So in that process of us driving, we were actually getting paid just to drive.
They forgot to mention the walking distance was the same as a marathon.
So a little point of advice, when y'all doing these jobs, make sure you let the customer know that the clock starts when y'all get there and the clock stops when the job is complete.
We was down to the last 5 or 6 rows of boxes.
Make sure y'all like and subscribe to this video. And if y'all got any questions about anything that took place during the day, go ahead and drop it in the comments and I'll get them answered for you. So at this point, the job is done. The truck is empty, about to straighten all the straps and stuff out and go get paid. So as you can see in the screenshot right here, I charged the customer $1,143 for that particular service. You will have to pay your helper, so go ahead and keep that in mind when you adding up those expenses so you can make sure that your helper is paid as well. Side note, the average helper, depending on the area that you're working in, they get paid anywhere from $15 to $20 an hour.
This job was booked through the Dolly app. Was literally just 6 chairs. From one house to another. Total distance was 3 miles. But can you guess how much it paid? $250.